Welcome to Fleet Management V3. What we are showing today is not just an upgrade, it is a smarter, more proactive way to run a fleet. We will begin with the fleet overview, the redesigned entry point for fleet management in V3. This modern interface provides a live, high-level snapshot of the fleet, total vehicles, active units, issues, and efficiency. Each vehicle is displayed as a clean, color-coded card with fuel levels, status, and alerts, so critical issues stand out instantly. The Vehicle Details page provides a complete digital profile of each asset, bringing operational performance, health status, and predictive insights into one modern, intuitive view. Real-time tracking highlights efficiency, utilization, fuel levels, and service schedules, alongside critical risk alerts. Live telemetry streams operational data continuously, from vehicle movement and diagnostics to engine performance, hydraulics, and load handling. Every critical system is monitored in real time, providing constant assurance that equipment is operating safely and at peak performance. AI-powered predictive maintenance enhances reliability by recommending component replacements before failure, optimizing maintenance schedules, and assigning a clear health score, calculated from thousands of live data points. With predictive triggers can be configured for each vehicle, making maintenance proactive instead of reactive. The outcome is reduced downtime, extended asset life, and significant cost savings. Analytics transform historical performance into actionable intelligence. Trends in fuel efficiency, tire wear, hydraulic performance, and fault history are displayed with clear, customizable dashboards. Leadership gains the ability to focus reporting on the metrics that matter most, identify inefficiencies early, and continuously refine fleet operations. Vehicle Details turns every machine into a transparent, manageable, and optimizable asset. By combining live monitoring, predictive intelligence, and powerful analytics, it delivers the confidence that high-value equipment is always performing at its best, every shift, every day. Next, we come to the new dashboard, the central hub of V3. This page combines real-time monitoring with configurable visuals, giving managers control over how they view performance. The design focuses on clarity, with charts and color-coded indicators that make trends and alerts easy to spot. Each manager will be able to adjust the layout to fit their workflow, ensuring the most important information is always front and center. From here, users will also be able to switch into dark mode, making long monitoring sessions more comfortable. And with just one click, any of these visuals can be turned into a report, making it simple to share insights or track performance over time. By turning complex data into clear visuals and actionable reports, the dashboard will help teams make faster, better-informed decisions. This is where V3 really takes a leap forward. With MyStar AI, the assistant that turns data into answers in seconds. Here we ask, "Show me critical vehicles." Instantly, MyStar AI analyzes live rover data and flags the ones at highest failure risk. Next, we can drill into a specific vehicle. By asking for an analysis, MyStar AI generates charts showing maintenance history, performance trends, and risk levels by component. And with just one more click, we can generate a full report or compare this with other vehicles. Instead of hours of exporting and reporting, managers will get clear answers, charts, and insights in real time, right inside Fleet Management. The Maintenance Rules page is where preventive and predictive maintenance come together. Instead of waiting for failures or tracking services manually, rules will be set once and applied consistently across the fleet. The Fleet Maintenance Dashboard gives managers a complete view of all service activity in one place. At a glance, it shows which vehicles are coming due, which are overdue, and which are at highest risk, so priorities are always clear. The list and calendar views turn complex schedules into a simple, visual plan. And because it's powered by predictive analytics, this dashboard doesn't just track tasks, it forecasts problems before they occur, so teams can stay ahead of downtime. And that's your first look at a part of MyStar V3, smarter, faster, and ready for the future. Now, if only it could predict when I'll need another coffee. Maybe that's in version 4. I hope you enjoyed this peek into our world, and thank you for watching.